Hi everyone. My name is Pei Xue. Chen Liu. Today I want to say description of my favorite, why I need it, why it's special to me, and when I use it. Today I will introduce my favorite thing. Do you know this good? This is drumstick. So this food, you may guess my favorite thing is drum. My drum is composition to 7 drums and 3 cymbals. One set of drum has 1 big bass drum, one snare drum, 5 different size of toms, and a pair of hi-hat cymbal, 1 side cymbal, and 1 top cymbal. It's made of wood and plastic. I began to learn from 12 years old. I was a school band drummer in primary school and middle school, and in middle school. This drum is an articulation of my high school gift from my parents. I need it very much because as a drummer, drum is a necessary article, and it is one of my life, so it is important to me. In my free time, I was always with my drum. He can relieve my stress and let me save time. Drum is special to me for 2 reasons. One is beat drum is my hobby, and the other is he has many of my reminders. So he's my favorite. I will always with him spending my life. Thank you.